How to add products to Shopify from AliExpress. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to add your products from Shopify to AliExpress using this platform, that's Deezers. You just need to go to this website. That would be under www.deezer.com. And what you need to do is to click on try it for free if you haven't signed up or created any account using this platform yet. So it actually is a platform where it allows you to drop ship your products from AliExpress to other e-commerce platforms like Shopify and a lot more. So you just need to click on try it for free. That's on the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on it, you will be routed into another page where you will be needing to create your own account using your own email address. Here, so you free to create your own account, you need to input your email address and then you'll be creating your own password for this platform. So once you click on create account, it will route you into this page and it will ask you on what platforms you'll be using for creating your own account. So here we just need to click on Shopify and then you'll be logging in with your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you just need to click on add app and then just confirm by clicking on yes. And then once you're on this page, you just need to click on install app. That's beside the word cancel. That's on the upper right corner. Here. So once you click on install app, you'll be routed into this page where Deezer will ask on what plan you will be using to proceed with the drop shipping process. Here, so you just need to click on the free plan and then click on AliExpress as our supplier for this. And then you just need to log in with your AliExpress account. And just wait for it to load up. Here, so there are a few terms and condition here where you need to authorize Deezers to access your AliExpress account. Once you are in this page, you just click on I agree to the terms and condition and then go ahead and authorize. So once fully authorized, you will be routed into this page where with the options provided, you just need to choose one for you to proceed. So what I'll be choosing will be the middle part here. So let's start improving products and this will be the page where we will be routed to. So it provides you the steps on how to get started with Deezers when you will be trying to access your Shopify or your AliExpress using this platform. So basically, this platform actually is the merger or the bridge between the two platforms. So you will be able to connect your Shopify and AliExpress account here. So you just need to click on next and then you can browse on the steps for you to use it on your future reference. So once we're routed into this page, what you will need to do is to go under import list. That's on the left side panel of the screen. And here, what you will need to do is to, as you can see, your Shopify account is now connected into your Deezer's account. So you can go back to your home page And then you can browse into these informations here. This actually will guide you on creating or processing your own account. So here, what you will need to do is to click on add an extension where you will be adding the Deezer's extension into your browser. So you just need to, once you're routed into this page, you just need to click on get and then click on add extension and then just wait for it to load up. And there you have it. The Deezer's extension is already added into your account. So what you can do here is that you just wait for this to process, and in a little while what you'll need to do is that with the extension you'll actually manually sign in into your Deezer account later on. Here, so what we are doing here is we are authorizing the Deezer account. So you just need to click on update. And then here we just need to go to AliExpress, and there that you already had the Deezer as an extension, you can click on add to Deezer on the product that you have chosen under the AliExpress account. So what you need to do is, so here once you are on this page, you can edit the options, the country, and the currency of your Deezer account. And then you just need to click on update settings once done. So you can change the currency from euro to US dollar. And then once completed, you just need to go to AliExpress. As you can see, I already chosen a product that I would like to add onto my Shopify account for us to link it to. So on this page, you just need to click on add to Deezers. And as you can see, there was a pop-up that you need to sign in into your account. So you just need to click on log in once you'll be redirected into this page. And there you are able to see that Deezer is already the official app for the AliExpress. So we can go back to AliExpress once we have verified or signed in. When we click to add to Deezers, it will now show that it's importing. As you can see, AliExpress product importing processed. So when you go back to Deezers, or you can go to your Shopify account, you can refresh the page. As you can see on their import list, there is the product from AliExpress that we have added already. So we have the option to edit the product. We can change or we can modify on what color of the dress we would like to be on the store. You can even adjust the sizes, the shipping options here, the images. If you wish to add a few images, and once everything has been edited, you can actually click on push to Shopify, and then you need to make sure that the changes have been saved. And then you'll be routed into this page where you'll be pushing this product into your Shopify account. You just need to check the boxes for your preferences. And then once done, you can just click on push to Shopify, and then you just wait for it to load up. And then click on save. As you can see, the update was successful. So what you need to do is you can go to, or you can also do the push to Shopify on this page as well. So we'll try to open our Shopify account to see if the product is already into our website. Here, so you can go under your product, and there you can see that it already has been added into my online store. There you have it. The product has now been linked or pushed into my Shopify account from AliExpress using Deezer, and it has now been added to Shopify. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.